Life is short. But most of us act like it's endless. The truth? You don't get unlimited time, just one shot. Let's talk about 5 rules to make sure you don't waste it. If you're 30, you've used up nearly half of your 30,000 days on Earth. The clock is always ticking. So how do you make those days count? These 5 rules will help you live with intention, not regret. Rule number 1, expand your sense of time. Ever notice how childhood felt endless, but now years vanish in a blink? That's no accident. As adults, we live on autopilot, same routines, same places, same conversations. Our brains stop paying attention. To slow time down, break the routine. Learn new skills. Take unfamiliar paths. Talk to new people. Fresh experiences stretch time, making days feel full again. Don't let your life blur into sameness. Rule number 2, choose your priorities with brutal honesty. Being busy isn't the same as living well. Most people fill their calendars with tasks that feel urgent but aren't important. Here's a test: picture yourself at 90, looking back. What will truly matter? Probably not the late nights at work or endless scrolling. Write down everything you want to achieve. Circle your top 3. Now commit to those, and say no to everything else. Your time is limited. Treat it like the most precious resource you have. Rule number 3, invest in your relationships. Life isn't about stuff. It's about people. Relationships are built in the small moments: a quick call, listening when it matters, and showing up even when it's hard. Forget grand gestures. It's daily kindness that creates strong bonds. And don't ignore acquaintances; those so-called weak ties often open doors to new ideas and opportunities. The paradox? When you give your time to others, you often feel like you have more of it. Rule number 4, prioritize your health. Your energy is the multiplier of everything else. Without health, even extra hours are worthless. Don't sacrifice sleep for productivity; it's like trying to drive on empty. Move your body every day, even if it's just a walk or stretching. Eat well, rest deeply, and exercise regularly. These small daily choices compound over decades, buying you not just more years, but better ones. Rule number 5, live deliberately, not by default. Most people drift. They follow a path set by others without stopping to ask if it's what they want. Don't wait for a crisis to wake up. Design your life like a portfolio, a mix of experiences, skills, relationships, and dreams. Run small experiments to see what really fits you. And remember, progress doesn't require giant leaps. Start with one tiny change. Your habits build your days. Your days shape your years. Your years become your life. Life is short, but it's long enough if you spend it wisely. Which of these 5 rules will you start with today? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ways to live intentionally.